been told to love myself.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is another recipe video. So I've decided to make a Greek dish, a dish that's called moussakka or mousakka, and I'm going to attempt to make it from scratch from start to finish. So if you're interested to see how I make this recipe, please continue to watch, and I will put the ingredients and the directions in the description box below. So let's get started. So there you have it everybody, a very easy simple dish to make for friends and family, and quite easy to store in your fridge or freezer. So on that note, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I will be posting every day, so I thank you all for your support. I thank you for watching. So until next time, bye for now.